Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change date and time settings on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To change date and time settings, go to Settings app, then scroll down to System, Date and Time, and now you can disable set and time automatically or turn it back on. And when it's disabled, you can select the date and the time. You can also disable setting automatic time zone, so you can change the region and select a time zone. Then it will automatically set the time, for example, when you enable set time automatically to that selected time zone, but you can also set automatically and enable using location, so it will automatically set the time zone based on your location. And you can also choose a time format like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.